Hey there. Curious about your credit health without hurting your score? Bank of America's Credit Journey gives you free access to your FICO score and key insights to understand what's driving it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to check it. If you're a Bank of America credit card or checking customer, you can access it in your online account or mobile app. Look for Credit Journey or Your FICO Score in the menu or on your account summary. This provides your FICO Score 8 based on TransUnion data, updated monthly. You'll also see the key factors affecting your score and can monitor for changes. My crucial pro tip? Use the Credit Score Simulator. This tool lets you see how potential future actions, like paying down a balance, opening a new account, or missing a payment, might impact your score. It's a powerful way to plan your financial moves. That's how you turn a simple number into a tool for smarter financial planning. Do you check your credit score regularly, or only when you're about to make a big purchase? Share your habit in the comments. For more guides on financial wellness, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.